This video could change how you think about AI money skills. Most people chase AI jobs that already pay less. The real money hides in overlooked AI skill stacks. What if one skill paid more than your degree? What if companies cannot hire fast enough? What if you already have half the skills? Today we break down AI skills paying right now. These are real US market demands, not predictions. No theory, only practical income paths. Some roles pay six figures without coding PhDs. Others reward business thinking over math. Stay with me, because one skill surprises everyone. And yes, the tool links are given in the description. Let us start with the biggest misunderstanding. AI is not one job. AI is a layer added to existing roles. The highest pay comes from combining skills. First skill is AI workflow automation. This is about replacing manual business processes. Think invoices, emails, reports, and approvals. Companies pay to save employee hours. Tools like Zapier make this accessible. Businesses want builders, not tinkerers. You map processes before touching software. US agencies pay retainers for this work. Next skill is prompt engineering for business tasks. This is not chatting for fun. It is structured input design for outcomes. Sales teams use prompts for lead qualification. Legal teams draft internal summaries. Marketing teams scale ad variations. OpenAI models power many of these systems. Pay increases when prompts reduce labor costs. Third skill is AI data analysis translation. Raw data scares executives. They want clear decisions, not charts. This role sits between analysts and leaders. You use AI to summarize trends. Tools like Tableau GPT help here. Communication skill matters more than math. Fourth skill is custom chatbot deployment. Not website toys, internal business assistants. Think HR policy bots. Think support knowledge bases. Companies pay monthly for maintenance. LangChain helps connect data sources. Security awareness boosts your value. Fifth skill is AI content systems design. Not writing posts manually. Designing repeatable content machines. This includes scripts, ads, and briefs. Midjourney supports visual ideation. Runway helps video automation. Agencies bundle this into packages. Sixth skill is AI sales enablement. Sales teams drown in follow-ups. AI scores leads and drafts outreach. CRM integration increases pay. Snowflake handles enterprise data storage. You come revenue adjacent, not technical support. Seventh skill is model evaluation and tuning. Companies fear unreliable outputs. You test, score, and improve models. This is quality assurance for AI. Hugging Face hosts many open models. Businesses pay for reduced risk. Eighth skill is AI product management. This blends user needs and AI limits. You decide what should be automated. Engineers build what you define. Salaries rival senior software managers. Ninth skill is AI compliance and governance. Regulations are increasing in the US. Companies need internal guardrails. You map usage and risks. This role grows fast. 10th skill is AI-powered financial forecasting. CFOs want faster scenario planning. AI speeds projections and stress tests. Databricks supports large-scale analytics. Finance background helps here. 11th skill is AI customer experience design. Chat flows affect retention. Bad bots lose customers. You design conversations, not models. Psychology knowledge adds value. 12th skill is AI operations monitoring. Models drift over time. Outputs change as data changes. You watch performance and alert teams. This is ongoing paid work. 13th skill is AI-assisted software testing. Code errors cost millions. AI generates edge cases quickly. QA teams adopt this fast. You reduce release risk. 14th skill is AI research summarization. Executives cannot read everything. You deliver weekly intelligence briefs. This supports strategy decisions. Notion AI helps organize insights. 15th skill is AI marketing attribution. Businesses want clear ROI. AI connects ads to revenue. This skill pays well in e-commerce. 16th skill is internal AI training. Employees fear new tools. You teach practical usage. Workshops create consulting income. Companies pay per session. 17th skill is AI infrastructure cost optimization. Cloud bills explode quickly. You reduce unnecessary compute. Finance teams love this. This requires systems thinking. 18th skill is AI-driven market research. Surveys meet automation. AI finds patterns faster. Product teams depend on this. Reports drive launches. 19th skill is AI ethics implementation. Values need systems, not slides. You embed safeguards. Reputation protection matters. 20th skill is AI-powered supply forecasting. Retailers need demand accuracy. AI improves inventory turns. This saves millions. Operations teams pay premiums. Now let us talk positioning. Skills alone do not pay. Packaging skills creates income. You sell outcomes, not tools. US clients buy clarity. Case studies close deals. Start with one industry niche. Learn their workflows deeply. Then layer AI solutions. Pricing should reflect saved costs. Monthly retainers stabilize income. Contracts matter more than resumes. Certifications help less than results. Build simple demos fast. Avoid over-engineering early. Talk to decision makers. Understand their KPIs. Translate AI into dollars. That is the real skill. If this helps, consider subscribing now. Turn on alerts so you catch future breakdowns. Let us cover income expectations. Entry roles start around 70,000. Hybrid roles cross 100,000. Consulting exceeds that quickly. Geography still matters. Remote roles expand options. US companies prefer domain expertise. AI is the multiplier. Learning speed beats credentials. Weekly practice compounds fast. Tools will change. Core thinking remains valuable. Focus on problem selection. Ignore shiny demos. Businesses pay for reliability. Documentation increases trust. Communication separates top earners. Technical depth supports confidence. Balance both intentionally. Expect competition to rise. Early movers build moats. Relationships compound returns. Publish insights consistently. Speak at small events. Authority attracts inbound work. Build a simple portfolio site. Show before and after metrics. Use clear language. Avoid buzzwords. Decision makers hate confusion. AI budgets grow annually. Cuts happen elsewhere. This trend favors adaptable professionals. Next videos break down learning paths. We will map tools to roles. We will analyze real job postings. We will share pricing frameworks. We will cover client acquisition. This channel focuses on staying ahead, not reacting late. The future rewards translators. Between technology and business, that gap keeps widening. AI accelerates everything, including mistakes. Skilled humans reduce risk. That is where pay concentrates. Choose one skill today. Commit 30 focused days. Measure progress weekly. Adjust based on feedback. Momentum matters more than perfection. Stay curious but selective. Ignore daily noise. Follow signal. Build quietly. Results speak loudly. Next week we go deeper. One skill, step by step. Real tools, real numbers. No fluff. If you want that, subscribe now. Ring the bell for weekly drops. Missing one video costs time. Staying ahead saves careers. AI adoption is uneven. Opportunity lives in gaps. Gaps close fast. Early action matters. Smart execution matters more. You do not need permission. You need direction. That is what we deliver. Consistently. Thank you for watching today. Review the tools in the description. Pick one to explore. Apply it to real work. Share results with clients. That builds leverage. We are just getting started. The next upload builds on this. Do not miss it. Your future skills decide income. Choose wisely. Invest attention intentionally. Avoid burnout cycles. Work smarter with AI. Lead, do not follow. Clarity beats speed. Skill stacking beats luck. Execution beats ideas. Consistency beats intensity. Direction beats motivation. This is your edge. Keep learning. Keep building. Stay ahead. See you next time. Thanks for being here.